Yeah, sure.
That's it. Now we discussed about storage types. We discussed about storage sections, very easy parts. Now we'll discuss on storage bins. Very important. Storage bins. What is storage bins? What are storage bins now? What are storage bins in warehouse? As per the organization structure, as per the org structure, what are storage bins?
The product where it final storage.
The product where you will keep the final. Okay, very good. Someone tell me what is the org structure of company code now? Company. What is the organization structure? Just for checking, okay, just a question. Just the organization structure of company. Whatever you know, tell me what is the organization structure. From where it will start.
Company code, under the company code. Under the company code, we have a plants. Under the plants, we'll have a storage location where both IM managed and EWM managed.
Next.
And we'll have the purchasing organization.
Doesn't
Where
matter.
it,
I don't want to go to purchase organization.
okay.
Yeah. Now let's start with EWM. Yes.
Okay.
So relocation managed with ECC and EWM you mentioned, right?
Yes.
ECC
And it,
and EWM. Okay. Now tell me.
Storage type.
No.
Warehouse.
Warehouse.
warehouse,
Warehouse. Mhm.
storage type, storage
Storage types.
under that
Storage.
storage section,
I didn't get you. Sorry.
Storage
storage
section.
section, storage section.
Sections.
Under that, we'll have a storage
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 bin.
bins. Now tell me what is the storage bins?
where we place the product exactly and
Storage bin is the lowest
Storage
organization element.
organization.
lowest
Storage bin is the lowest organization element. If you
organization.
see whole process of organization structure, this is the least one. This is the last one. Storage bins. Storage bins means what? This one. Means what? We are building a company. Just think that we are building a company. In that company, just think that the company is in Bangalore. The company is located in Bangalore, India, Bangalore. Means it's a big warehouse, big company, not a warehouse, big company, I'm telling. Now you are receiving one product. The product should be stored here, only in this location. Now system should have company code, plant, storage location, warehouse, storage type, storage section, and storage bin. Getting the point? When you are receiving the product, based on the organization element, what are the org element, what are the organization structure that is defined for your company. If it is proper in system, automatically system will show this bin. When the delivery creates, when the PO creates, with respect to PO, you have inbound delivery. That inbound delivery is having warehouse task. That warehouse task is showing to store the goods here. Lowest org element. These are last. Lowest org element in the EWM. It is called storage bins. Here, there are the few things I should discuss now regarding the storage bin. You know what is bin right now? These are called bins. Bin 1, bin 2, bin 3. Or else I can show you here. These one bin, second bin, third bin, fourth bin, fifth bin, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth. Bin. Or bins. Okay. Now tell me, we have bin types. We have bin types For each and every bin, we have bin types. What are bin types? I'm opening transaction for bin creation. Okay. /o /SEWM /LS01 /o /SEWM /LS01 /o means what, guys? Why I am using /o?
New transaction.
It will open a new screen for me. /o means I am using /SEWM. SEWM is for what? For all EWM transaction, it will start with SEWM. For now, just remember that SEWM. LS01 is the transaction to go to bin. So in warehouse, you need to go to bin. In EWM, you need to go to the bin creation LS01. Okay. /o /SEWM /LS01. Okay. I got the bin here. Storage bin. Create storage bin. So I'm creating RKWH. I'm creating RKWH. In RKWH, in high rack, I'm creating the first bin now. In RKWH warehouse, in the high racks storage type, I'm creating the first bin. Enter. System is asking which storage type? High rack. I'm giving high rack, HR01 high rack. Okay. Now we can see bin access type or a storage bin type. Let's first go to storage bin type. What is storage bin type here? If you see clearly here, storage bin type. Okay, I didn't define any storage bin types. Now what I can do, I can show you for different warehouse. Storage bin type. I think already some bins are there. Jeez. Little bit of it was there. Normally, storage bin types means what? Okay, each and every bin, how much length you can put, or how much weight we can put. Each and every bin depends on the bin size. Okay, depends on the bin length, width, or weight. We can differentiate the bin types here. So these bin types, below bin types, having capacity of 100 kgs. Above bin types, above all bins, having capacity of 50 kgs, 100 kgs. Above bins, all bins, the second level bins, it having capacity of 50 kgs. 200, just think 150 kgs, 100 kgs, and 50 kgs. Based on the levels which you go up, the capacity will decrease. The weight of the storage bin it is having access, it should be less. And from ground, it should be more. More weight with less weight and less weight. Okay. So bin access types, bin type. Normally bin type, I don't have any bin types. Let me check. Yes, I can create, right? Oh, yeah. So I'm going to master data. Here we have like storage bins. Storage bins. And the first one, if you see, define storage bin types. Define storage bin types. And if you see here, storage bin types, I am copying it from one of the warehouse. I'm creating it for my warehouse, RKWH, 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 RKWH. If you want break, let me know, guys. Okay. So RKWH in warehouse, I created 4 bin types. Okay. First bin I want to create for up to 1000, up to 500 kgs. I'll keep this one. Up to 500 kgs. So what I can do here, maximum weight I can keep it as 500 kgs. Okay. I can give length, width also. Length, width, height also I can give. Okay. Each and every bin, if you see, I can give length, width, height, capacity of the load it can bear. Each bin I can give. Okay. So for that, I cannot maintain for each bins because in a warehouse, there are some 1000 bins are there. Just think there are 1000 bins are there. I cannot create for 1000 bins, right? For that, I am segregating now. I'm segregating here, having capacity of 50 kgs. In second level bins having capacity of 100 kgs. Third level bins having capacity of 150 kgs. Then what I can do, I can segregate, right? This all bins into one bin type. This all bins into one bin type. This all bins into one type. I can create only 3 bin types. I can create only 3, right? And I can assign to these bins so that this bin behavior will be as expected. Got it? This is called storage bin types. Am I clear? Now what you will do once you create storage bin types? You will create a bin. When you are creating a bin, what will happen? RKWH you are creating. In RKWH you are creating one bin. In HR01 you are creating HR01 storage bin type. If you select here, it will show which one. Bin 1 500 kgs. BT01 10 kgs. BT02 BT03 100 kgs. I am selecting as BT03. I'm selecting this as BT03, or else you can define the names BT01, BT02, BT03, or else BT03, BT02, BT01, or else 1, 2, 3. Depends on the requirement. Okay, how we want to define the names from ascending or descending. Okay, I'm selecting as BT03 for the lower ones. So if I select BT03, what will happen, guys? Maximum weight is 100 kg. Maximum volume is 1 cubic meter. Okay. In the background, it will check other things also. In the background, what will check? In the background, it will check length, width, and height. But normally, in a warehouse, we'll remove the length, width, and height. Okay. Normally, in the warehouse, we'll remove these things. We'll go by only weight. We'll go by only weight. Okay. And can anyone tell me now? Is a question now. From where this kg came? And from where this cubic meter came? When I enter 100, automatically it is taking kg and meter cube. From where it is taking?
You copy from somewhere else.
We
Master
have it
data.
at the,
Material master.
sorry,
You
From the
copied from
material master basic data.
somewhere else.
1%, please. From where?
I said you copied from somewhere else, so that's
No,
why
no, no,
you.
no, 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 no. It will not get copied. Sorry.
It's coming from the warehouse while defining
It
the
is
warehouse.
coming from the warehouse. It is coming from the warehouse. These entries it will get copied, but not these entries. Can you see? It's a freezed kg, cubic meter, meter. It's a freezed entries. These entries will come from the warehouse. From warehouse where? Do you remember, guys? From warehouse where we'll maintain these entries. Anyone remembered? Can you see? Weight unit kg, volume unit, cubic meter, weight of length, unit of length, meters, time unit in minutes, factory calendar. So everything is coming from the warehouse. Okay. Now automatically can you see kg cubic meter came. Suppose in the real time, if they want to do some changes to this kg, instead of kg they wanted to go by piece, then they need to change in the warehouse level configuration. Okay, don't confuse. Save it. Now I have the bin. Now I have the bin. Now here we have bin access type. We discussed about storage bin type. Now we have bin access type. What is bin access type, guys? What is bin access type?
Handling of the bin.
Handling of the bin. Handling of the bin or what?
Bin, sir. So means how we need to pick up or storage the material.
Exactly. Bin access type. For the respect to bin, who is having access to store the goods or remove the goods? Suppose if I take this bin, who will be having access, guys, to store the pallets or remove the pallets?
Forklift.
Forklift. Why you are thinking too much? Forklift, right? Forklift will be having access to this one, right? Not manual worker, right? How come worker will go to third level and will pick the goods and put away the goods? Obviously, forklift only. Now let's go to bin access types.
Ram, one doubt. Yeah.
Mhm, mhm.
If we maintain kg for warehouse, so all the product that we are receiving to that respective warehouse will be in kg quantity.
Yes, but you have one more thing that is called conversions. Each and every product we have conversions. This is about the product level. Warehouse level means what? Warehouse level means what? For respect to bins, for respect to storage types, for respect to storage sections. How that will be managed? Give me a point.
Yeah, yeah, got it.
For this, I'm not speaking about this cases, pallets and all. I'm speaking about the only bins here. Can you see? I'm speaking about only the bins. I'm not speaking about the inside products and all. I'm speaking about only the bins. The bin is having what capacity?
Weight capacity only.
Weight only, right? Kgs, right?
Yes.
And the bin can be in height, right? Length, width, and height level. This only, right? Obviously, this will not change. Okay?
Yeah, got it.
Yeah. Now, bin access types. Storage bin access types. If you see here, I'm copying from one of the existing one. Forklift, machine access, and manual. There are two things will be there. I can copy from this one also. Crane, forklift, and manual. These three I can take. Which I'm taking. So this is for a crane. In RKWH, I have three resources. I have a crane, I have forklift, and I have manual. So I'm saving it. Now in the bin I can give, okay. While creating bin I can give. If I'm creating HR02, a second bin I'm creating. Second bin I need to create storage type as HR01. HR01. Storage section I'm creating like section 1. In section 1 I have section 1, this was section 1, okay. Just in section 1 this is section 1, section 2, section 3. In section 1 I have bin access type to only forklift. I have bin access type to only forklift, and it is having Storage bin type. Capacity of how much? Capacity of only 50 kgs. Capacity of only 50 kgs. VT02. Can you see? Only 50 kgs. Now, this bin is accessed by only forklift, and when the forklift is keeping the pallet in this bin, system knows the weight first of all. System knows the weight. How system knows the weight first of all? How much weight they are keeping in this bin? How system knows the weight, guys? Tell me. Weight of the product. How system knows?
From material master.
From the material master. From the material master, it is already defined the weight of each kg. I mean, it's each piece. Sorry, weight of each piece that they are receiving. It will having the weight in the material master. Based on that, system will calculate automatically. When you are placing this bin here, system knows the weight. System is very fast in calculating. When you create delivery only, system knows the weight of the each pallet. Now, when the system suggesting this bin, system knows that this is having capacity of only 50 kgs. This pallet is more than 50 kgs, then system will suggest this one. If this pallet is more than 150 kgs, then system will suggest this one automatically. Got it? So based on this storage bin type, we are restricting to keep more than 50 kgs in this bin. We are restricting. The system will not go further. When you restrict it, system will go for alternative. System will check this one. Even if you restrict this one, system will check this one. Got it? Am I clear, guys? Am I clear?
Yes.
Yes, Ram.
Now, I want to tell you one thing. You know this is warehouse. You know this is warehouse. Yeah. So in this picture, if you see, you can see a lot of things here in this picture. So what are these guys? How do you divide if you have this one storage type? This all belongs to only one storage type. How do you divide this thing? How do you divide this thing? How system knows? How system knows like which row, which column? How system knows all these things? Which bin is empty? Which level? How system knows this thing?
We will divide into storage sections.
Okay, sections means what? This one section, this one section, this one section, one section. Right.
Yes.
But here if you see, what are these things? How system divides this one? This area, this area, this area, this area, this area, this area. We'll divide by three factors now. That is called, let me share. Okay. You know what is AILs?
The gap between both the sections.
The gap between here, if you see, this is called AILs. AIL1, AIL2, AIL3, AIL4. Can you see here? These are called AILs. And stacks. What are stacks now? What are stacks? I told this is AIL1, AIL2, AIL3, AIL4, AIL5, AIL6, AIL7. What are stacks? What are these things, guys? Stack 1, stack 2, stack 3, stack 4, stack 5, stack 6, stack 7. Stack. So we are calling this as stack. Stack 1, stack 2, stack 3, stack 4, stack 5, stack 6. What is levels? What is level? Level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4. Level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4. Now a small question to you guys. Just think this is AL1. This is the first AL. Now tell me, what is the location of this bin? If you tell me what is the location, let me explain you first of all. We cannot tell now. Fine. You got to know, right? What is AL, what is stack, and what is level? Are you clear on this part? AL, stack, and levels?
Us. Yes, sir.
Yes, right? So A, S, L, AL, stack, and level. Now, the ways of creating storage bins. What are the ways you'll create the storage bins? Storage bins. The ways of creating storage bins in EWM. What the first way, guys? I showed you already. Create storage bin. For the transaction I used
LS01.
CWM slash LS01 is the first way of creating the bin. First way of creating the bin. What is the second way, guys? Template. If I have 2000 bins, can I create one bin? Now, in this case, just think that this is into one storage type. I want to create storage bins. Can I create one by one bin? One bin, two bin, three bin. There are thousands of bins are there here. How to create the bin now? How to create the bins?
Create a else in that we can define a one
Create a
else first stack.
You want to create aisles, you want to create stacks, you want to create bins.
Yes.
Yeah, one stack we can have a if you define one bin, right? So similarly, in the complete stack wise, we can define bins. It will have a same what you say length, breadth, width, right?
So storage bin structure. Define storage bin structure. For the first way we are creating, the first way we are creating manually through SCWM LS01. The second one is what? Structure or template.